Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and I am Hena Talati. A tornado has swept through the several villages in Czech Republic, killing 5 people and leaving more than 150 others injured. After the heavy rain and flooding in the Czech Republic, Thursday night storm blew the roofs of the buildings in the southeastern districts, uprooting the trees and overturning cars. Winds of at least 220 kilometers per hour were recorded, and the worst hit areas were said to look like a war zone. The situation of the country is like a living hell. Hailstones just the size of tennis balls were reported in several districts, and local officials said a string of villages had suffered considerable damage along the 25-kilometer stretch of the road heading to northeast. In the village of Valtais, the other side of Bravclav, almost every building had been damaged by the bombardment of hail. Around 1,000 homes had been affected, and local authorities were working to provide accommodations for the people whose roofs had been destroyed. Initial reports spoke of 3 deaths, but the Czech Republic said later the number had risen to 5. At least a third of the houses in the village of Husky, with the population of 1,600 people, were destroyed by the tornado. Only 15% of the buildings has been untouched there. The tornado and hailstone struck the border town of Hodonín, damaging an old people's home and destroying the local zoo. Vineyards in the area were also damaged. The situation looked like a battlefield in a hospital where many of the injured were treated. Tornadoes are not as rare in Europe, and a few hundred touch down across the continent every year. From that, some almost certainly go unreported as they hit in sparsely populated rural areas. Tornadoes have been reported in every continent on the earth except Antarctica, and even there they are theoretically possible. However, the United States of America sees the most tornadoes of all, with more than 1,000 per year on average. The country also records more of the most violent twisters than anywhere in the world. United States mountainous landscape and proximity of the warm, moist Gulf of Mexico give the perfect conditions for the violent supercell thunderstorms to form. And these are the storms that give birth to the tornadoes. Today, several tornadoes are reported in mid-Michigan in US as several storms hit much of the state. Multiple tornadoes reportedly touched down in mid-Michigan on Saturday, and warnings for several other counties went into effect ahead of a night that threatened with more rain to already overwhelmed streets and roadways in Metro Detroit. Charlotte, almost 100 miles west of Detroit, had spotters report a tornado touchdown around 5:45 p.m. A tornado was reported in a Bellevue area Saturday evening, but few damages are reported, and most issues reported are of water damage to buildings and roadways. Michigan's Thumb and some surrounding areas were under a tornado watch, the authorities said. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.